over about 30 minutes from my house. Gonna go film for a friend from church. It's Thursday. I'll get the date to you later. I forgot to check. We're gonna go help Grant see what we can't get down on the ground tonight. He's a good buck, good buck. He's going away. Nice, bro. Going down. Oh, he's gonna be like. Definitely got a good body. Man, I wish he would break. I wish he would break it. Oh, he's going back. He's not like that. Holy cow. Here he is. He's coming straight up. I hope he's locked open. As you can see, we're in the action early here on November 13th. Deer are moving. It's a great morning for deer hunting. it today, but it's okay. That's right where Buck walked in, about 70 yards. Hey guys, we're back. It's the Grind Outdoors out here. It's the Missouri Rifle Opener. It's about the highs 80 for today. It's supposed to cool down to like 66 tomorrow. It's probably about 66 degrees. First shots of rifle season right there. But before shooting light, I looked up and I seen a deer running across the field. And I put my binoculars up, and sure enough, it was a buck. So I grunted at him when he was probably about 150 yards away to try to keep him in until light so we could get a good look. But he came straight at us, probably ran 20 yards to our right. I got some footage of him, just little short clips, so I'll bob it up. But Sean and Aaron are out this morning, and so it'll be a good one. So it's definitely going to be warm, but we got a good wind, and I'm feeling good, especially with that buck moving that early. We'll see.